Hi everyone, so I just want to explain the story of it, and for the story of it, I just got it from Henny from the conference, and yeah, I was being stalking those two pairs that I wanted to trade. Recently, the story is like the flowers. Try to look at it. I'm gonna move so very strong of it. Henny was really telling us that the move is supposed to be like a better ways to go back up or see something to go back down from there. Um, for me, I felt like that the story. So there's a different thought of me that okay, I could see this, and then the pullback came. Um, then the solo came here, and I was just seeing if this gonna break of this area to move back down. And also I was looking at this area too that will be reacting, or this little wick will be reacting. Fortunately it did react, so um, that's why I see if I could be able to take it down a little bit more. But I'm aware where I'm at, that this for sure is gonna react back up. So it took a very my management is still 1%. I should have done even better of the management, like just very small, how I say, very small risk in there, like at the third risk to give a shot from there to break it down. But I feel like that's not a good price to get in. So yeah, and I went in from there. So that would be the story, and then the next video I'm gonna explain my PA, why I got out.